Welcome back, future medicos. Today, NTA has released a notification which enables you to make some corrections in the NEET application. So earlier they have done this few times. They have allowed candidates to make a lot of changes in the particulars. And finally, now again on 23rd September 2020, they have again opened the application for changes. In case if you want to make some changes, now you can go ahead and make changes, right? So date 23rd September 2020, you can see the subject correction facility in the particulars of online application form for NEET UG 2020 held on 13 September from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. In view of the hardships faced by the aspirants of NEET UG in making corrections, the NTA is once again providing the facility for making corrections in the particulars in the online application form in the following fields only. So you can make changes only in certain fields. What are the fields? You can make changes in mother's name, father's name, gender, category. Some of you were asking that you have wrongly indicated OBC NCL, that is OBC non-creamy layer. Only OBC non-creamy layer can have a reservation in NEET. So in case if you are a OBC creamy layer, if you don't have the OBC certificate, and if you want to change to unreserved category, now you can make a change. Or if some of you think that, no, I have wrongly selected unreserved category, I have the OBC NCL certificate with me, then you can change the category now. So now there is an opportunity for you to change the category. Person with disability. State code of eligibility. In case if you have given the state wrongly, now it is time for you to change the state code of eligibility. Nationality, mainly I think whether you are OCI, NRI, foreigner, right? So you can select the nationality. So these are the fields which NTA allows to make changes right now. It is brought to the notice of all the candidates that this facility in correction in the particulars of the online application form is made operational on the website ntaneet.nic.in from 23rd September to 30th September. So this is the date in which you can make the changes. You can make the changes until 30th September 2020. Now, correction in the particulars in the online application forms shall be accepted up to 5 p.m. Okay, up to 5 p.m. and submission of fee if applicable, okay. Particularly fee might apply when you are changing the category. Correction in the particulars in the online application forms shall be accepted up to 5 p.m. and submission of fee up to 11:50 p.m. So you can make changes until 5 p.m. on 30th September, and you are given until 11:50 p.m. to make the payment of the fees, if any you need to make. In case any additional fee payment becomes due because of the type of changes made, the requisite fee, if applicable, can be paid through credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, and Paytm. No change in the application form will be accepted through fax or application or email. You cannot send it. You should log into the system and make the necessary changes. This is what is given in the NTA notification. So if you want to make some changes, now you can go ahead and make changes. One thing becomes clear, because they have allowed the correction of particulars until 30th September. We are not expecting any kind of results until the end of the month. So we can expect the results only sometime in the first week or second week of October. Okay, that's become clear now because they have allowed changes until 30th September. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in some other videos soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.